Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually going to give you a little tour of my beauty, well, it's like a beauty corner. So it's a little area where I film and I have everything nicely organised. I'm super excited because I've actually got some new bits for organisation, which is just brilliant for me because I love to be organised. I would like to say that my inspiration for one of the things has come from Luce Stevenson, who I will link in the description box below. She's absolutely brilliant and she's got an amazing channel, so go and check that out. So yeah, so thanks for that, Luce. But yeah, I'm very fresh faced today. I'm having a bit of a CBA day, to be honest. I just couldn't be bothered to do my makeup, so I haven't, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, do excuse the naked face, but you're not going to see much of it today anyway. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on and let me show you.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Right, so this is my unit that I have at the side. So this was actually from B&M. I paid for the grey unit, I think I paid about £30. And then for the boxes, for these ones, I paid, I think they were two for £10. And then the dark grey ones were two for £6, I think. So they were a real bargain, to be honest. And then obviously I've got my Doll Beauty palette on there. And then I've got my eyeshadow palettes on here. Now this is really cool. This was actually from Shein. Just notice that's wonky. This is actually from Shein, and I believe they've actually gone up in price now to about £25. But when I bought it, it was, I can't remember, about £12 or something. And then I think there was 30% off the website site-wide. So I ended up paying about £6 something for it. So really pleased with that. And I love stars and rose gold, and it just fits the palettes perfectly. So I've got like 2 in each star. So yeah, you can get quite a few in there. And then up here I've just got my Glossybox Calendar with some flowers on the top and then just my sign there. The Glossybox Calendar I'm actually opening daily, and I'm doing like a weekly testing video with the products. So I've done 1 already, and then I think I've got another 3, I think it is, to do. So keep an eye out for those. So in these boxes, in this one here, I just keep my makeup removing pads, you know, cleansing sponges and cloths and things. And then there's my brush cleaner and then my headbands, although there's only a couple in there because most of them are in the wash. And then in this one, I've got my hair products, so dry shampoos, hairsprays and things like that. Batiste is the best. And then in that one, I've just got like hair dyes and things like that, like semi-colours and yeah, all sorts of bits in there really. And then in this one, although it's a bit dark, is my straighteners, tongs, like hair dryer and stuff like that in there as well. And the other 2 have just got my underwear in, so I'm sure you don't want to see that. And I've got my beautiful Christmas star up there, which was, I did have a snowflake up there originally, but I changed it over. Couldn't put the snowflake in the living room because it was bigger and it looked better in there. But yeah, that's quite cute. That was only a couple of quid from B&M. And then this is my dressing table. So the dressing table actually got off eBay. I think it's part of the Corona range, which is what I've got in my whole bedroom. I think it was about £80. I've had it ages now, but yeah, I really like it. And the unit, the mirror unit, this was from the range. I only got this at the weekend and it was £55. And I think it's really good because it's quite big. And you've got these shelves that you can put products in, and you've got these little drawers. So this one I've just got my cotton buds and there's a receipt in there. I think the other one's just got a bottle of micellar water in it. And then obviously these are actually 2 things that I'm doing a testing video on soon. And that's what I've got in my calendar. I've got my cotton pads in this glass jar. And then over here I have my skincare products, a couple more skincare products and perfume. Yeah, and these lights are really good as well. When you put any makeup on, they're really bright, and yeah, you can see every little imperfection, which is really good for when you're doing your makeup. So when I'm filming, obviously I don't want the glare from the mirror behind me, so I just get these flowers that are off my windowsill and I just kind of pop them in front, which is what you probably see when I'm filming, just so that you don't see the mirror behind. It's much nicer to, you know, have the flowers there. So yeah, that's what I do. These flowers here I've actually stuck on with super glue just because I liked it. So yeah. And then this is the unit that I got the inspiration from Loose for, and I actually love this. It's so good, and you can get so much in it. So you get the unit itself, so it's obviously the 3 drawers for £28, and it's got wheels on the bottom, which is really handy for when I'm filming, so I can just kind of like drag it round, and yeah, I've got it right next to me. And then on the top I've just got a couple of like Peel-Louise bits, and this mirror is just so cute. I got it from Primark the other day and it was only £12 and I absolutely love it. So in the top here I have all of my eyeshadow palettes and lashes. So there's the Peel-Louise sandwich palette there, which actually fits in quite nicely. And then these are Primark ones. I've got a mini Norvina one here, some lashes here, the She Glam one, which I'm loving at the moment, and some more lashes here, and then some Primark palettes here, and there's the avocado one, and there's the, you can't see it, but the Turkish Delight one underneath. And then I've just got a little tray here which has got all my brow bits in. And then in the middle section I've got all my lipsticks here and my foundations and BB creams. I am more of a BB cream than a foundation person. And then at the back I've got my powders, and then this is a palette, well not a palette, a gift set with lipsticks from She Glam's Christmas collection. And then I have my lip glosses here and my lipsticks. So I've put all my MAC ones together just because I thought it looked quite nice, and I've got more of them. And then my random ones here, and these are like little Korean beauty ones. They're actually really quite cool. I'll show you. So this is like one of them, and it's got like gold flecks and a flower inside, and they smell really nice. And once you've got them on, they're not actually clear, they go the colour of the flower. So they're kind of more lip balm than a lipstick really, but they're really funky. And then this here was an add-on for £2, and I thought that's perfect for my beauty blenders. They all look a bit big at the moment because I've just washed them this morning, but look, this one has actually been leaning on something in my drawer, and the writing or numbers has printed off onto the sponge, and I can't wash it off. I have tried, so hopefully yeah, I won't get numbers on my face. That'd be interesting. And then down here I have, this tray was also an add-on. This was £2. I did want this to go with the other eye bits, but it wouldn't fit, so that's fine. But yes, I've got all my mascaras down here. This one I'm loving at the moment. This is just a Korean beauty one as well, but the packaging is just stunning. And I think it was about £3, but it's a really good mascara. So I've had loads of compliments on my lashes lately because of that. It's really good. And eyeliner's in there as well. And then my little single shadows and pigments, and my Peel-Louise paints and primers and glitters. So then in here, these are just 2 Glossybox boxes that I've used, so they fit quite nicely actually. And then down here I've got my bronzers, blushes, highlighters, concealers, and then at the back here I've got my setting sprays. So this one is my absolute fave, which I need to get some more of actually. So that's the iconic one. I love the finish that it gives. And then I've got a couple of palettes on the side. So yeah, there we go. There is my little beauty corner. I hope you enjoyed watching and you found it helpful and useful. I tried to mention the prices and where I got things from as I went along, so that, you know, if you like them, you can get them yourself. If you enjoyed watching, then obviously please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.